This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the ring/silent switch on the left edge, and then open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Once there, turn off Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent so vibration won't trigger when calls or alerts arrive. Make sure the physical mute switch is flipped to silent. You'll see orange. This combination stops vibration and enables silent mode. Now proceed to remove remaining feedback in deeper settings because the switch alone doesn't cover every alert. Next, you disable system-level haptics so UI taps and notifications stay quiet. In Sounds and Haptics, toggle System Haptics off. Then inspect individual apps. Go to Settings, right arrow Notifications, pick an app like Messages or Mail, and tap Sounds to make sure vibration is off there too. Some apps have their own vibration settings. Open the app if needed and turn those off. Once done, run a quick test by sending yourself a message to confirm no vibration occurs. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all changes take effect. A reboot clears stuck haptic states. Then enable silent with the switch and optionally turn on Do Not Disturb or a focus mode to block sounds entirely. Test by sending a message or alarm. If vibration still occurs, make sure no accessibility setting, like vibration under touch, remains enabled. As a last resort, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone, right arrow Reset all settings. This preserves data, but clears misbehaving configs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.